changed what a given 401k or trust fund should do right now?
We haven't changed our allocation. The only thing we have done, I think, over the last couple months, and this was not about the last rout in the market, was we reduced our emerging market Asia exposure. It had been our only emerging market equity exposure, and we've taken it down to zero at this point based on reduced visibility on the policy side. That was the major move we made, but that was in advance of this last decline.
There is an August to remember, which everybody filters through their own skill sets. Down we go. We get a little bit of a bounce here. But the cash flows of the underlying companies are still the same, aren't they? Or do you mark down revenues, earnings, and cash flows?
Well, our big question now is what do we do with 2016 earnings? You know, we were talking about energy a little while ago, and this is the very, very cloudy part of our forecast, because if we have to take down energy earnings another significant leg, I think consensus is currently expecting that over the next 4 quarters, they'll be down another 20%. But if we stay at $40 or, God forbid, get to, you know, something with a 30 handle in a sustained way, then we're going to have to take down earnings again. And then we have to think, all right, what do the aggregate numbers look like, and how specific do we need to be about our sector trades? You know,
we spent the spring drawing a distinction between large companies that export in the U.S. and domestic companies that don't. Given what's going on in emerging markets, are we going to continue to have to draw that distinction?
Look, we've had a big portion of our U.S. equity portfolio in mid-caps, and that's been a very productive and positive investment for us, but not just because of the more domestically oriented sales of those companies. It's also because there's been great M&A activity. The deal activity in the mid-cap space has been phenomenal, and frankly, the earnings overall has been better than the large caps.
This has been great. Kate Moore, come back tomorrow. She's a JPMorgan Private Bank.